First step, clear the cooking area. Today we'll be cooking with eggs, some diced red onions, leftover spiral cut ham, applewood smoked bacon, some cheese and sausage gift kit, and leftover quote-unquote rolls. First, we grind the ham, as well as some summer sausage, along with the bacon, and then just some onions for flavor. I kind of just winged that there. Next, I added an egg. I think I should have added more, but we'll get to that later. Then I mixed it all together into some consistency. I went ahead and chopped up the 3 cheese and onion mix, quote-unquote cheese. Just for clean cooking, I did add some oil. In an attempt to make a juicy Lucy, I added some cheese in between the meat patty. Then I cut and toasted the quote-unquote leftover rolls. While attempting to flip these burgers, you can clearly see that they, of course, fell apart like no one's business. You can hear the disappointment in my voice. And of course, I handled this very maturely. Like I said, maturely. Anyways, in one final attempt to make a patty, I tried to squish it all together inside a bit of tin foil. It was still too hot to handle. And so, in a best attempt I had, that can only be counted as classy, this happened. Classy. Well, this is actually the second time that this has failed for me. I tried this once last year, or sometime this year rather. But yeah, no, definitely should have either A, added more eggs, or B, maybe cooked it in the oven instead of trying to cook it on a fryer. But either way, it's now a loose meat sandwich as I kick the camera out of frustration. Let's see how this tasted. Again, I should add a sauce. Usually loose meat like Sloppy Joe's, some kind of barbecue sauce. What would be a sauce from leftover Christmas? Cranberry. No. Mashed potatoes, even worse. Well, kind of. I could use mashed potatoes for the bread. Anyways, see how this tastes as it falls apart. Not bad. Actually, it's not as salty as I thought it'd be. It's actually reasonable. That's a lot of bread though. But this stuff here. Oh wow, that was good. So yeah, now that it's just loose meat, what I should do is I could just cook it up with some potatoes. Actually, I should do that instead. But anyways, potatoes, wrap it up in some good tortillas, a little bit of cheese. And for those people who like eggs, you can put eggs in them and you have a breakfast burrito. Otherwise, I like just cheese, meat, and bacon. Well, bacon's a step above meat. No, meat, cheese, and potato, and just wrap that in burrito. This is good. No. Yep, slightly disappointing in that it didn't hold together, but that's just my lack of cooking. For not being real cheese, that 3 onion stuff's pretty good. Anyways, I'm gonna finish this, and eventually I'll do something with that loose meat. Again, what would be a chicken leftover Christmas sauce? Well, ideally the glaze. Maybe that's something that sounds good, but kind of like eating nothing but ice cream as you would like as a kid. There's problems with that line of logic. Probably be too much, but yeah, maybe a little bit of glaze sauce to make it more of a sloppy Christmas Joe. I need to be working on that. That's maybe what I should cook next. I'll think about it while I eat this. Otherwise, thanks for watching. If you made it this far, comment down below what I did wrong, which is many things. See ya.